Silima makwani na thukumi kotini kivathukanio vanthi ya Kenya matongo uwe ni munini wa musili munene Mwandu Philomena Mwilu ni maumia ukulio kwi NND na athukumi onthe methiwe na kikio na kumanenga ivinda isio ila maendesye kana maende na wia wowa makwani vate kumanya maasya kumatelemia kana ona kumaumia thayu manena kuya yata chathini cha mathiko ma kumumasya mututia Mwandu Monica Kivuti ula unoiwe kwa kwathwa kuya kotini wa Makadara kauntini ya Ilovi vala ama elesya chevacho kumana na kikuo cha Monica maiweta kana kuthukuma wia wake tima vitio na kuwa kwake ni kuleana na uthukumi wa asili mama kwani na mwatongoi maki uteti ni maweta kana vena vata wa kongela kinandu kila kithia wa muveani wa kotini kana kwa ilia mawithi lukoma uthukumi wo tukwatiane na Keben Mosao.
It is well, it is
chathi cha kumumasya musili wa makwani murutia Monica Kivuti na ulona atiwe ni thayo kanzea ya kwathwa na kisasi eweani kotini wa Makadara musini wa Ilovi ni chatwaiwa kwi umuthi kisioni cha Mamba kithimani ya ta kauntini ya Masako.
The Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya
Valasi lima makwani na thukumi makoti kivathukanio va Kenya mamenda NND kwithiwa na kikio na kumanenga ivinda isio ya kuthukuma vate kumatelemia kana kumanya maasya.
We are giving Monica's baby Eileen and all the others. Eliana will want to grow and become a judge because it is secure to be a judge. Not to be in fear that she'll be killed. Please don't kill us at our place of work. Monica would have died any other way. In fact, had she died another way, I would still have cried as much as I have cried. But not with the pain that I'm crying with, because Monica was not sick. Monica was killed by a senseless Kenyan who has no regard for the rule of law. And in this country, I wish that man was not killed, so that he would be tried. And we hear the reasons for what he did. Whom was he protecting?
Athukumia ya mamovea wa koti ni maelese chevacho kumana na kikuo cha musili Monica maiweta kumuwa ni kuleana na uthukumi wa asili mama kwani.
Urge because we shall urge on. We will give those judgments, and if you want to kill all of us, then do it. But we took an oath to do a job. We shall do it. Ours is a sacred job, and somebody has to do it. At this time, it is we who are here who are doing this. I conclude by saying there have been far too many attempts at our lives. Just stop it. Stop it. Pole sana Kang'ata and your family. Let's take our seats, judiciary.
that we will do our very best to discharge our duties with the highest integrity as the Lord will endow us with. We will not be cowed by whatever may have happened.
We were also affected as the judiciary. We've been grieving from the date that this incident happened, from when we lost her in hospital. It has been too much upon us as well as judicial officers. The kind of jobs that we do expose us to a lot. We need your prayers. Hold upon us as judicial officers, magistrates, judges, and staff. Kindly, we need your prayers, such that when we leave our homes early in the morning to go and meet and serve and deliver justice to Wanjiko, to the Kenyan public, kindly pray for us that we come back to our families in the evening.
Sio ndongo isiaki uteti ni sia umani yake kwa kii na valasi ya mienda serikali kunenga na usese imweanu kwe koti vate kutumia mavuti kuanzia ukava wa usili.
Please don't shoot down our magistrates and our judges. Please don't misuse firearms. So this is really a wake-up call for everybody as we say kwaheri to Madam Monica na watoto na bwana yake.
We don't want people who are whipped with emotions taking advantage and making our place or our judicial officers to lose their lives.
Na ingi kuangalanga kinando kila kivathia wa muvea wa koti ni kana kwa ili mawithi lokomo makuthukumia.
To work in conducive environments. Why not the judiciary? Why not the judiciary? And I want to speak to our president and the executive in this country. Judiciary has a right to have funds like any other body in this country so that they can serve with the security that they need. They need bodyguards like us. They need safe places like us because their lives are in danger. They are doing a duty that gives them, that makes them vulnerable to the people they are delivering justice to, and especially those who are not corrupt, those who cannot agree to do injustice. Those who hold their integrity. They are in danger, and so we should think and give them security that they need so that they can deliver justice to all of us. Judiciary, don't be afraid. Don't be intimidated by anyone. Deliver your duties with freedom because you have to serve this country.
Ni ukuno kwi andu mamusi muvea wa koti ovamwe na nthi ya Kenya itina wa kumwasia musili wa makwani Monica Kivuti kumava kithimani ya ta kauntini ya Masako. Ilivote ya vilingi wa Mavomo Tongo TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosau.